Good morning, Leo. Ready for another English session?
Definitely. And honestly, the topic already makes me hungry.
Perfect, because today we're talking about breakfast conversations, the kind you use in homes, cafes, diners, everywhere.
Great, because ordering food is one of the main situations where I freeze in English.
Then today we thaw you out. Let's start simple. What do you usually have for breakfast?
I usually eat eggs and toast, sometimes fruit, and coffee. Always coffee.
Good. Now try adding a small detail or opinion. For example, I usually have eggs and toast, but I love pancakes.
Okay. I usually have eggs and toast, but I love waffles.
Nice! That sounds more natural and conversational. Now imagine we're at a cafe. How would you order?
Uh, I want coffee and eggs.
Not bad, but let's make it more polite. You can say, "Can I get?" or "Could I have?"
So, can I get a coffee and scrambled eggs?
Perfect. Smooth and friendly. Now imagine the server asks, "How do you like your eggs?"
Oh, that's always confusing. So many types. Scrambled, fried, poached.
Exactly. Repeat after me. "I'll have them scrambled, please."
I'll have them scrambled, please.
Good. Now let's build a full order. Say you want scrambled eggs, toast, and a small orange juice.
Can I get scrambled eggs, toast, and a small orange juice, please?
Excellent. Notice how you added please at the end? Polite and natural.
Yeah, it sounds clean, like something I'd actually say.
Now let's practice casual conversation. Imagine you're eating breakfast with a friend. I'll ask, "Did you sleep well?"
Yeah, I slept okay. I woke up a little early, though.
Nice. Now ask me something back. Good conversations always go both ways.
How about you? Did you sleep well?
I did, but I woke up craving pancakes.
That's very you.
Absolutely. I take breakfast seriously. Now, a very common breakfast question. What are you in the mood for?
I'm in the mood for something sweet.
Great answer. Now try another one, something savory.
I'm in the mood for something savory. Maybe eggs or a sandwich.
Perfect. Now let's add a little small talk. I'll say, "Is it just me or does food taste better in the morning?"
No, I agree. Breakfast is the best meal of the day.
Good. Now let's imagine we're hosting breakfast at home. I'll ask, "Do you want some juice?"
Yes, please. Do you have orange or apple?
Nice. Offering options is great. Now I answer, "I have orange. Is that okay?"
Yeah, orange is perfect.
Excellent. Let's work one more natural sentence. Help yourself.
Oh, I like that one. Help yourself means I can take what I want, right?
Exactly. It's like saying, "Make yourself comfortable."
Got it. So if someone offers breakfast and says, help yourself, I can just grab food.
Yes. Now let's mix everything into a mini scene. I'll start. "Good morning. Did you sleep well?"
Yeah, a little early, but I'm okay. I'm in the mood for something savory.
Great. Help yourself to some eggs and toast.
Thanks. And can I get a coffee too?
Of course. How do you take it? Black or with milk?
With milk, please.
Nice job, Leo. Your rhythm is getting more natural. Now let's move into real-life breakfast situations, like when you're at a busy cafe or when the waiter asks you something unexpected.
Oh, yeah. They always ask things super fast, and I just stare like, yes?
Exactly why we're practicing. So imagine the waiter asks, "For here or to go?"
Okay, I know that one. It means, are you eating here or taking it away?
Correct. So what would you say?
For here, please.
Perfect. Now imagine they ask, "Do you want the combo?"
Oh, boy. What's the combo again?
It's usually a meal that comes with extras like eggs, toast, and juice together.
Ah, got it. So I can say, no, thank you, or yes, I'll take the combo.
Exactly. Let's try it.
Yes, I'll take the combo, please.
Smooth. Now, another classic cafe question. What size would you like?
That's usually for drinks, right? Coffee, juice, smoothies.
Yep. So if they offer small, medium, large, what do you choose?
Medium, please.
Nice. Now, let's build a more complex sentence. Try, could I have a medium latte with oat milk, please?
Could I have a medium latte with oat milk, please?
Good. Now say it again, but faster and more natural.
Could I have a medium latte with oat milk, please?
That was great. You sounded like someone who orders coffee every morning.
Honestly, I am someone who orders coffee every morning.
True. That helps. Now, let's add a typical morning question. What did you have for breakfast today?
I had toast, eggs, and a cup of coffee.
Nice. Now try adding a feeling or opinion. It was simple, but really good.
It was simple, but really good.
Perfect. Now let's practice asking for condiments.
Condiments. Like sugar, salt, honey, syrup?
Exactly. Now ask me for syrup.
Could you pass the syrup, please?
Excellent. And I answer, sure, here you go.
Thanks.
Now let's practice another super common expression. I'll take.
Oh, yeah, that's the restaurant classic.
Exactly. Say, I'll take the breakfast sandwich.
I'll take the breakfast sandwich.
Great. Now try a bigger order.
I'll take the breakfast sandwich with cheese and a large coffee.
That was smooth. Now let's imagine you're not sure what something on the menu means. You can ask, what comes with that?
What comes with that?
Perfect. Or, what's in that?
What's in that?
Exactly. Now let's imagine you're confused about something. I'll say, do you want your toast white or whole wheat?
Okay, I always forget how to say this, so I can answer whole wheat, please?
Yes. Or white is fine. Both natural.
Got it.
Now let's practice a situation where something goes wrong.
Uh-oh, what happened?
Imagine you ordered orange juice, but they brought apple juice.
Oh, yeah, that happens.
So you say politely, sorry, I actually ordered orange juice.
Sorry, I actually ordered orange juice.
Perfect, short, polite, effective.
And then I hope they don't hate me.
Trust me, they don't. They prefer you to speak up. Now let's practice offering food. I'll say, do you want some pancakes?
Sure, I'd love some.
Great. Or, no thanks, I'm good.
No thanks, I'm good.
See? Supernatural. Now let's imagine a home breakfast scene. I'll start. Do you want your coffee strong or mild?
Strong, please. I need energy today.
Same. Now, I ask, do you want anything on your toast?
Do you have butter or jam?
I have both.
Then I'll take jam, please.
Nice. Okay, before we move forward, let's review a few key phrases. I say, can I get?
Can I get?
I say, could I have?
Could I have?
I say, I'll take.
I'll take.
Great rhythm. Awesome, Leo. Let's move on to something fun. How people talk about breakfast habits around the world.
Oh, nice. I love this part.
So first, I'll ask you, what do you usually have for breakfast?
I usually have coffee, toast, and maybe some fruit.
Great. Now let's add detail. Try, on weekends I like to.
On weekends, I like to make a big breakfast. Eggs, pancakes, the whole thing.
Excellent. That sounds delicious, actually.
Yeah, Saturdays are like my chef mode days.
I can totally see that. Now, let's imagine someone asks you, do you eat breakfast every day?
Not always. Sometimes I skip it when I'm in a hurry.
Perfectly natural. Now let's try another question. What's your favorite breakfast food?
My favorite breakfast food is pancakes. No competition.
Haha, I believe that. Now let's create a little mini dialogue you might have with a friend or coworker. I'll be the coworker. Hey Leo, did you have breakfast already?
Yeah, I grabbed the quick coffee and a muffin.
Perfect. Now try adding a follow-up question.
What about you?
I had yogurt and granola today.
That sounds healthy.
Exactly. Simple, natural, everyday conversation. Now, let's go back to ordering food. Imagine you're in a diner and the server says, "How would you like your eggs?"
Oh, the eggs question. I always panic.
You have options: scrambled, fried, boiled, poached, or sunny side up.
Sunny side up always sounds so cute.
It does. Try answering the question.
I'd like my eggs scrambled, please.
Perfect. Now try a different version.
Can I have 2 fried eggs, please?
Excellent. You're getting smooth at this.
Thank you. Thank you. I'd like to thank the Academy.
Not the Oscars, Leo. The Breakfast Academy, maybe. Now let's practice asking the server something. Say, "Does it come with toast?"
Does it come with toast?
Perfect. And another one. "Can I substitute the toast for fruit?"
Can I substitute the toast for fruit?
Nicely done. This is great for restaurants that let you customize your meal. Now, let's switch to a super common mistake English learners make, using "I want" too often.
Yeah, it can sound rude, right?
Exactly. Not always, but sometimes. That's why "could I have" or "can I get" is softer and more polite.
So instead of I want a coffee, I say
"Could I have a coffee, please?"
much nicer.
Yep. And you can also say, "I'd like."
I'd like a cappuccino.
Beautiful. Okay, now imagine you're having breakfast with a friend and you want to offer something. You can say, "Do you want some?"
Do you want some?
Great. Or a slightly more natural one. "Do you want a bite?"
Do you want a bite?
Perfect. And if you refuse food, you can say, "No thanks, I'm good."
No thanks, I'm good.
Amazing tone. Now let's practice describing your ideal breakfast. Start with, "My perfect breakfast is..."
My perfect breakfast is pancakes, bacon, and fresh orange juice.
Wow, strong American vibes. I love it.
What about you?
Mine is avocado toast with a big iced coffee.
Very modern. Very Instagram.
Exactly. Gotta maintain the aesthetic. Now, one last exercise. We're going to do a speed round. I'll ask fast, you answer fast. Ready?
I'm scared, but yes.
Coffee or tea?
Coffee.
Sweet or savory breakfast?
Sweet.
Eat at home or eat out?
Eat out.
Pancakes or waffles?
Pancakes.
Breakfast early or late?
Late.
Great. That sounded super natural. And that wraps up our full breakfast conversation practice. You learned ordering phrases, polite requests, small talk, menu questions, and how to describe your breakfast habits like a native.
Honestly, I'm ready to go eat now.
Same. Let's finish the episode before we both run to the kitchen.
Deal. This lesson was delicious. Literally.
Thanks for listening, everyone. And remember, practice these phrases every morning, even if it's just while making your coffee.
See you in the next episode.